Good morning to everybody. My name is Gianluca Brunori. I am a professor of agriculture economics at Pisa University, and I am a part of the SOLINSA project. With the webinar of today, I'm going to illustrate what LINSA is, what is the meaning of LINSA. But before doing this, I would like to illustrate why we are defining a new concept. So the first issue that moved us for our research is that there is a strong commitment to sustainability by European institutions. They really want to push sustainability forward. But at the same time, there are concerns about the capacity of the food system to meet sustainability goals. So despite the policies, the system doesn't move forward in the right way. And also there is a specific concern that the official agricultural knowledge system don't move in the right way. So we started from this motivation to define the concept of LINSA as an instrument that would drive the system toward innovation. LINSA in fact stands for Learning and Innovation Networks for Sustainable Agriculture. So the key point of our concept is that innovation brings to sustainability. In order to create sustainability, we need to innovate in the system. But what is innovation? In our view, innovation is, in general, an improvement in the way things are done. So innovation can be technological, organizational, and even social innovation. Let me give an example. This is a scheme showing a food supply chains from inputs provider, farming, collectors, processors, retailers, consumers. So there is a lot of people involved in these supply chains and a lot of instruments and technologies. So how to do things better? It is not sufficient that some individuals do things better, but what is needed that all together do things in a new way. And the issue at this regard is how to get new knowledge. There is a theoretical issue with this regard. How can we get new knowledge? In our view, knowledge comes from the exposure to the unknown. So if I am A, I meet B, B has a set of knowledge different from mine, and from the interaction, new knowledge emerges. And how does learning occur? We have at least two types of learning. The first one is learning by doing, so applying to object, with routines we progressively do things better. But there is also the possibility of learning by interacting, so talking with other people, interacting and doing things together with other people, we progressively learn, acquire new knowledge. But then a dilemma arises. Because if we are people with the same set of knowledge, as you can see in the picture, we are people who can easily coordinate each other. So when participants have the same body of knowledge, they might be very efficient. But then there could be little to learn, because if the knowledge is the same for everybody, then there is no much to learn anymore. On the contrary, when people have very different bodies of knowledge, they belong to different social groups, social worlds, etc., they need to take time to understand each other. But there is a lot of potential new knowledge available for them. So this is a challenge. For this reason, we have adopted the network approach. Why the network approach? The network approach allows us to recognize that people have the possibility to interact with other people freely, and in this way to multiply sources of knowledge by getting in contact with others. And having different knowledge and experience exchange and sharing resources, they can build collaboration. But the question is how to improve the capacity of networks to innovate. This is a picture you can find in the LinkedIn software. It is a personal network. Each of us has a lot of contacts, and if you group together by different type, you will see that there will be several patterns of communication. But this also shows the opportunities for new contacts and new knowledge. Then the question is, how to establish a network? So, provided that everybody has contacts, relation, etc., how these contacts become a network? And for example, another question is how diverse the network should be, because we say that the more diversity, the more opportunity for knowledge. But then how to improve communication within the network? And finally, but not least important, how to keep sustainability goal high in the agenda. So, given these questions, and I hope we will be able to respond to them during the course, we are providing a working definition of LINSA. The definition is network of producers, consumers, experts, NGOs, small and medium enterprises, local administration, as well as official researchers and extensionists that are mutually engaged with common goals for sustainable agriculture and rural development. This means that we have diverse networks based on different types of people, from producers to consumers to technicians to local administration, and the purpose of LINSA is to be engaged for sustainable development. The issue is how LINSAs can be managed in order to obtain this objective. And I would like to wish a fruitful course and enjoy your stay in Paris. Thank you.